Sitting here in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shali's Life. How are you guys doing today? As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be cooking some curry shrimp and rice. Sorry for my lifting guys, yeah, but I'll be doing some curry shrimps and rice, very easy, and I thought I should share it. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. And have your friend share it with a friend. Tell them to come and check me out. Cause you know we late over here, but stay tuned for the video. So guys, don't mind my big stomach, but I'm using 2 packs of shrimps because it's only 4 of us. And guys, is it really hate that they don't be taking off this part of the shrimp? I always take it off though, so I'm gonna take off this right now, guys. Guys, that's my brother in the back room. He's washing dishes. So sorry for the noise. So guys, I'm gonna do coconut milk. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So just watch. But so far, I'm just gonna season up the shrimps and leave it, and then cut up the seasoning as you can see right there. So whenever I'm doing curry shrimp or the some stuff, let me get a different one. This is curry, guys. Let me see if there's an open top. And all-purpose, not too much, but just enough. Little black pepper. Some fish seasoning, just to give it that little taste. Not too much too. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Let me try and open it. Ooh, my ring light almost dropped, guys. And now, mix. Oh Lord. See that, guys? Ooh. So now that I'm finished with this, So guys, right now I'm on truck. I'm gonna wash her eyes. So guys, what I'll do is I don't like how this looks. I'm trying to see if it's expired. Oh, no, it's not expired. It's good. Okay. So guys, I get the coconut milk. Add some ketchup to it. Mix it up. Make sure it's mixed all the way out. guys, I'm gonna clean up the dishes that I use. So guys, I'm basically almost finished. So when I share out my brother and sister food, I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned. And I might just close out right here, guys. I might just show a next clip of us eating my brother and sister food. So thank you so much for tuning into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below. Let me know what type of video you want me to do. I'm trying to stay active, guys. I'm trying to stay motivated. So, you know, thank you so much for tuning in. Shali's out. So, how is the food, guys?
It's good.
Mikhail?
Why is it sweet?
Right.
I need to know why.
Why is it sweet? What did you put in this?
It's a special recipe. You just need to know that it tastes good.
This is not curry.
It's curry mixed with it's something. It's curry, but it's just mixed. It's good, right? See, you don't need to know what's in it. That's all. Bye bye. Still in love with me, like the way you claim.